Hello guys, welcome back to our session. So in today's session, we'll be doing parajumbles asked in CAT 2020 slot 2. Okay, so to my surprise, there were 3 parajumbles. 2 were tricky and 1 was very easy. Okay, in fact what happens is we have an idea, we have this notion that CAT is going to ask a question that is going to be very tough, or we really are going to have a tough time to solving it. But one parajumble was very easy and 2 were tricky. So let's start with parajumble number 1. Okay, so if you want, you can just pause the video. Okay, you can just pause the video, you can solve this question and then look at the explanation, right? Okay, if you have solved this already, okay, then you can look at this explanation, the approach how I would love to solve this parajumble. Okay, or had I been in the examination center, through practice, what would be my approach? Okay, so let us look at all the options. Now I'll be reading all the options first. Okay, so option number A says, while you might think that you see or are aware of all the changes that happen in your immediate environment, there is simply too much information for your brain to fully process everything. Okay, now option number B, psychologists use the term change blindness to describe this tendency of people to be blind to change though they are in the immediate environment. Okay, now option number C, it cannot be aware of every single thing that happens in the world around you. Option number D, sometimes big shifts happen in front of you and of your eyes. Sometimes big shifts happen in front of your eyes and you are not at all aware of these changes. Okay, so now you have basically got the idea that what this whole passage, this whole paragraph can be about. Okay, now let us start with the elimination. So guys, there are some traps in this parajumble. Okay, there are some traps that can lead you to choose the wrong option. Okay, there are very strong traps. So let us look at option number B. This looks very promising. Option number B looks very promising, but the problem with this sentence is, I'll just tell you in a minute. See, option number B says psychologists use the term. Okay, so whenever we have this idea that a term or something that is being introduced, a new word is being introduced, it is highly possible that that sentence can be the starting sentence. But the problem with this sentence is that by psychologists use the term change blindness to describe this tendency. Again, you are talking about this tendency. Okay, so although it looks promising, it has a trap, it has a slack. Okay, this tendency, we don't know which tendency we are talking about, so that is why this can be eliminated, or you can say it can be ruled out. Now option number D, option number D looks, just read it, sometimes big shifts happen in front of your eyes and you are not aware of these changes. Again, these changes, so these, what is this? These is a pronoun, and we don't know which noun it is referring to or which subject it is referring to. At least we should have an idea that the reference is being given to which particular subject, right? So that is why this can also be eliminated. Okay, now we are left with option number A and C. So now the problem with option number C is it starts with it. Again, we don't know the reference, it, why it has been used and which subject it is referring to. So again, option number C can be ruled out. So option number A, it looks promising. So just let me give a quick read and try to understand if there is any problem with option number A or not. While you might think that you see or are aware of all the changes that happen in your immediate environment, there is simply too much information for your brain to fully process everything. So I don't think there is anything that need reference. Okay, this can be the starting point. I don't think there is any part where before this sentence or there is a chance, or you might be looking for any like clue or reference. This sentence does not need any reference. This can stand on its own. Okay, so dekho, like what should be the clue words? Now read this part. While you might think that you see or aware of, while you might think, Okay, there is a possibility. While you might think that you see or are aware of all the changes that happen in your immediate environment. So the clue that you should go for, see or are aware of. Now, in option number C, just look at this option. It cannot be aware of every single thing. So first we are giving a possibility that while you think that you are aware of all the changes that happen in your immediate environment, but it cannot be aware of every single thing. Okay, now what is the subject for it? Let us find out. The subject can be found in option number A. So while you might think that you see are aware of the changes that happen in your immediate environment, there is simply too much information for your brain. So brain was the subject for it. Brain was the subject for it. So again we are getting a pair. Pair is A and C. Pair we are getting A and C. Now A and C, now we are only left with two options. Either it can be DB or BD. Either it can be DB or BD. Let's find out. Okay. So we already have one pair, that is AC and DB. Okay. I mean AC. And the second pair can be either DB or BD. Okay. So these two pairs. Now let us read the option number D first. Let us read option number D first. It says, sometimes big shifts happens in front of your eyes and you are not at all aware of these changes. Okay, it is giving an idea that sometimes a thing or incident happens in front of your eyes and you are not aware of it. Okay, of these changes, right? Now, option number B is left. Psychologists use the term change blindness. Okay, change blindness to describe this tendency. What is this tendency? What was this tendency? This tendency has been talked about in option number D. Like ये बोला जा चुका है कि ये टेंडेंसी किसको बोला जा रहा है. Like टेंडेंसी इज, कभी कभी आपकी आंखों के सामने बहुत सारी चीज ऐसी होती है जिसके बारे में आपको पता ना हो. ये बोला गया कि sometimes big shifts happens in front of your eyes and you are not at all aware of these changes. आप इस चेंजेस के बारे में अवेयर नहीं रहते हो. तो ये जो टेंडेंसी है इससे एक्सप्लेन किया जा रहा है ऑप्शन नंबर बी में. साइकोलॉजिस्ट यूज द टर्म चेंज ब्लाइंडनेस. ठीक है, जो ये इफेक्ट हो रहा था, ये जो भी कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन हो रहा था, इसे यहाँ पे डिस्क्राइब किया जा रहा है. साइकोलॉजिस्ट यूज द टर्म चेंज ब्लाइंडनेस टू डिस्क्राइब दिस टेंडेंसी ऑफ पीपल टू बी ब्लाइंड टू चेंज though they are in the immediate environment. So we can get two pairs. First is AC and second is D and B. D and B. Okay, so this was very tricky. So I hope you have liked this, my explanation, and this the whole process, the whole approach is clear to you. Okay, so let us meet in another session. We'll be continuing from this here itself. We'll be doing two more questions of slot 2 CAT 2020, of CAT 2020, right? So see you in the next session. Till then, happy learning and bye for now.